Hey everyone and welcome back to Gurukul. In this video, we will learn about IALA Maritime Buoyage System. Here, IALA stands for International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities. We will not go into the historical context of how it came and how it evolved. In this video, we will learn about those navigational marks which are helpful for navigation and also important for the exam point of view. So within this buoyage system, we have lateral marks, cardinal marks, isolated danger mark, safe water marks, special marks, and emergency wreck marking buoy. So now first we will learn about lateral marks. Lateral marks are not same everywhere. So this whole earth is divided into two regions, region A and region B. In region A, we have Europe, Africa, Australia, New Zealand, and whole Asia except these three countries, which is South Korea, Japan, and Philippines. And in region B, we have North America, South America, and these three Asian countries. On world map, it looks like this. So this green part, this whole North America, this is in region B, this South America, and these three countries, which is South Korea, Japan, and Philippines. Other than this, all remaining area comes under region A, like Europe, Africa, Australia, and Asia, except these three Asian countries and New Zealand. So now we will see how to learn and remember those lateral marks. So this is applicable for both regions, region A and B. So suppose this is the ship's heading and we know that this is the port side and this is starboard side. So on port side, the shape of the lateral mark will be always a can. No matter what, whether it's region A or region B, there will always be a can. On starboard side, it will be a cone. So now we know that on the port side, the shape of the lateral mark will be a can, while on the starboard side, the shape of the lateral mark will be a cone. But what will be the color? That color makes the difference between the regions, region A and B. So now we will see what will be the color of the lateral marks. Okay, so this is a ship and we know the navigational lights of the ship. So on the port side, the navigational light of the ship is of a red color, while on the starboard side, the navigational light is of green color and the stern light is white, and then we have masthead light which is of white color. So now as you know that navigational light on the port side is of red color, so on the port side the can will be of red color, while on the starboard side the cone will be of green color. So the color of can will be red and for cone it will be green. That is for region A. In this video, first we will learn for region A only. For region B, I will make a separate video so that video will not be lengthy. Okay, so by now we know the color and shapes of the lateral marks which are used in region A. But where are these lateral marks used? Okay, so when we are approaching or departing from a port, we have to pass through channels. So in those channels, we will have these lateral marks on each side of the ship. So that sets the boundary of the channel. We shall not go beyond a can on the port side and a cone on the starboard side. So within these lateral marks, we have the safe water to navigate our ship. So this is how it will be. On the port side, we have this can. If there is a pillar or spar, then the top mark will be a can. And in region A, the color will be red. In the same way, on the starboard side, we have a cone. And if there is a pillar or spar, then we will have the top mark as a cone. And this is the buoyage direction, so the ship will be sailing in this way. So when we are navigating through channels, within these buoys, we have safe water to navigate. So we shall not go beyond the can on the port side and a cone on the starboard side. We shall maintain our course within these lateral marks. Now suppose this is the ship's heading. So on the port side there will be a can with red color and on the starboard side there will be a cone of green color. But what if you observe a red color can with a single broad horizontal band? So this mark indicates that the channel which we are following is going to be divided into two channels. So either we have to follow this way or this way. So among these, we have to decide which one will be the preferred channel. Now, as you can see that this is the can. So can will be on the port side, as I said earlier. So to keep this can on the port side of the ship, we have to alter our course to the starboard. So this is gonna be the preferred channel. So this is the preferred channel and the other one is the secondary channel. And as you can see, the majority of the color of this can is red. So this indicates that we are in region A. The lateral marks of region A, the can will be of red color. And this is the preferred channel marks. So this is a red color can with a single broad horizontal band. In the same way, this is the ship's heading, and instead of a can, now we observe a green color cone with a single red broad horizontal band. So this also indicates that this channel is going to be divided into two channels. So either we have to go this way or this way. So these type of marks are preferred channel marks. As you can see, the majority of color green, so that means we are in region A. So how to decide which one is the preferred channel? As we know that we will have the cone on the starboard side of the ship. So to keep the cone on the starboard side of the ship, we have to alter our course to the port side. So this is going to be the preferred channel and this one is going to be the secondary channel. So now we will practice ROR cards which are asked by the surveys. As you can see, this is a red color can. Can will be always on the port side, so this is a port side mark. And the navigation light of the ship is also red on the port side, so this is also red. So that means it's region A. Lateral port hand mark, color is red, top mark is nil. As you can see, there is no top mark. Light when fitted red. Rhythm any other than composite group flashing 2+1. So next one is a pillar having can on top of it. So this can indicates that this is the lateral port hand mark. It's of red color, so this is region A. So answer will be region A, lateral port hand mark, color red, top mark single red cylinder can, light when fitted red, rhythm any other than composite group flashing 2+1. So watch this video and practice again and again. It's very easy to remember, you will never forget it. Next one is a spar which has a can on top of it and the color is red. So it's region A, lateral port hand mark, color red, top mark single red cylinder can, light when fitted red, rhythm any other than composite group flashing 2+1. Now this is a starboard hand mark. Cone will be on the starboard side. So this is lateral starboard hand mark. Color is green. In region A, starboard hand mark is of green color. So this is region A, lateral starboard hand mark. Color green. Top mark nil. Light when fitted green. Rhythm any other than composite group flashing 2+1. Now there is a pillar with top mark as a cone. So this is also region A, lateral starboard hand mark, color green, top mark single green cone, point upward, light when fitted green, rhythm any other than composite group flashing 2+1. Now you must have noticed one thing, that in port hand mark and starboard hand mark, rhythm is same, that means any other than composite group flashing 2+1. While the only difference is this green color. On the port side it is of red color, on starboard side it is of green color. While rhythm can be anything other than composite group flashing 2+1. Now there is a spar and the top mark is a cone, point upward. It is also region A, lateral starboard hand mark, color green, top mark single green cone, point upward, light when fitted green, and rhythm any other than composite group flashing 2+1. Now this one is preferred channel mark. It's a red color can with a broad green horizontal band. We have already learned this. As a can will be on the port side, so we have to alter our course on the starboard side. That means the preferred channel to starboard. So it indicates the preferred channel to starboard. The maximum color is red, so it is of region A. So this is region A, preferred channel to starboard, color red with one broad green horizontal band, top mark nil, light when fitted red, rhythm composite group flashing 2+1. Now do you remember in the previous cards we have seen the rhythm any other than composite group flashing 2+1. So this is the reason, because the composite group flashing 2+1 is for preferred channel marks. So at night, to make a difference in the preferred channel mark and the lateral port hand mark or starboard hand mark, the flashing is different. They can have any flashing other than composite group flashing 2+1. So next one is a red pillar with a single green broad horizontal band, and the top mark is a can. So reason A, preferred channel to starboard, color red with one broad green horizontal band, top mark single red cylinder can, light when fitted red, and the rhythm is composite groove flashing 2+1. Next one is a red pillar with a single broad green horizontal band, and the top mark is a can. The maximum color is red, so it is for reason A, and the can indicates that this is the preferred channel to starboard. So this is reason A, preferred channel to starboard, color red with one broad green horizontal band, top mark single red cylinder can, light when fitted red, rhythm composite groove flashing 2+1. Practice these cards so that you can remember what are all the things you shall describe to a surveyor if he is showing you any card. Now next one is a green cone with a single broad red horizontal band. So this indicates preferred channel to port, and it will be on the starboard side when we alter our course to port for the preferred channel. So having the maximum color as green indicates that this is reason A. So these are just tricks to remember how to identify and distinguish any mark. So this is a reason A, preferred channel to port, color green with one broad red horizontal band, top mark nil, light when fitted green, rhythm composite groove flashing 2+1. Next one is a green pillar with a single broad red horizontal band, and there is a top mark which is a cone point upward. So it is also reason A, preferred channel to port, color green with one broad red horizontal band, top mark single green cone point upward, light when fitted green, rhythm composite groove flashing 2+1. Now this one is a spar. So this one is also reason A, preferred channel to port, color green with one broad red horizontal band, top mark single green cone point upward, light when fitted green, rhythm will be composite groove flashing 2+1. Now we are finished with the cards. So these are all the marks which we have studied. This top one indicates the boundary of a channel, while these marks indicates preferred channel. All marks are for reason A. So this one is just an example for better understanding about these marks. As you can see, this is a ship and there are two channels going this way and one through this way. Now on the port side, you can see there are cans which is of red color, while on the starboard side, you can see there are cones of green color. So these lateral marks indicates the boundary of the narrow channel. So this ship, while navigating this channel, shall not go beyond this can on the port side, and also on the starboard side, it shall not go beyond these cones. Now here beyond these marks, you can see blue color, and on this side also you can see this blue color. This indicates that there is water over there, but it is not safe for the ship to navigate through it. And this green color indicates that there is a land. So that's why these lateral port hand and starboard hand marks indicates the boundary of the channel. These are just like when we are driving a bike or a car and the road having boundary on each side. Now here you can see that this is the preferred channel mark. This is a green cone with a single broad red horizontal band. So this indicates that this is a preferred channel to port. So here two channels are dividing. So we have to go this way. This is the preferred channel to port. We have to keep this cone on the starboard side of the ship. And once this channel is divided, so there are little starboard hand mark here and the port hand mark on the secondary channel. If you find this video helpful, do like the video, comment in the comment section, share it to your friend and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.